Everybody's Mark Phillip of Studica, and today I'm going to be printing out a gimbal on my DaVinci AiO 3D printer. Now, a gimbal is basically a mechanism that is used to keep an instrument such as a compass horizontal while it's inside of an aircraft or a vessel such as a ship. Now, this is a fun part to print because even though it consists of what you see here is three things, like you have this inner circle, the one in the middle, and then the one in the outer, this actually prints as one part, so you don't actually have to print out three different things and piece them together. So what I'll do is hop on my computer, I'll show you where I got the part from, I'll also post a link to the part in the video description, and then I'll send this job to the printer and I'll show you the various stages of printing. So to actually get the gimbal part, I went to thingiverse.com, and if you're unaware, Thingiverse is a great maker site where people basically upload and sell. They also offer for free downloads of different STL files and other common 3D printing file formats that you can grab and print out on your printer. So this user, D's Maker, created this Aikido Gimbal demo version 1 file, and the link is right here. I'll also post this in the video description so you have it. And basically you hit download this thing and you'll have an option to download the STL file down here. Go ahead and download that. And then in order for me to actually send this to the printer, I need to open up XYZware. XYZware is the software that comes with the DaVinci AiO 3D printer, also comes with the DaVinci 1.0. So XYZware is basically a slicing program. You import your STL model, you send the job to the printer, and the printer prints it. So to do this, we hit import. On my desktop here, I have a Aikido Gimbal version 1 STL file, which I got off Thingiverse. And then we have the model in here, and we can look at the details by hitting info. This is a pretty large model, and just for the sake of time, I'm going to scale this down a little bit so it doesn't take too long to print. So I'm going to hit the scale option, and I'm going to leave it all uniform, and I'm just going to size that down. So instead of 117, 117.52, probably go about like half-ish, somewhere around 60 like this. So 60, 60, 27, I'm going to hit apply, and then at this point I'm going to hit print. I'm going to leave it on good quality. I'm using ABS material. We don't need rafts and supports, which is a really cool thing about this model here. We don't need to use anything like that. It all just comes as one piece and nothing special has to be done. I'm going to leave auto repair on. I'm going to look under the advanced options. I think I'm going to leave all of this default, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit print. And the software is going to begin slicing. Now, depending on how large the model is, how many issues there might be, how the geometry is, this could take a long time, it could take a short time. It really varies depending on the model. This will probably take 5 to 10 minutes to slice, considering the size of this model. So once that's ready, we'll come back here, send the job to the printer, and then we'll see how it looks. So now it's ready to print. We see how long it's going to take, we see how much of the cartridge it's going to use, and when I go ahead and hit print, it's going to send the job to the printer, and then it's going to start doing its thing. So let's check that out. So we can see the extruder doing work right now. The filament coming out there. See the shape taking form now. It's been 22 minutes. So we're now 42 minutes in. Here's where we're at. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. We are an hour and 10 minutes in. Let's take a look. So we're still coming along nicely. Not much has changed, just building up more and more layers. So we're about halfway there. Hour and 40 minutes. We're now 2 hours, 23 minutes in. It's really coming through now. Now our part is done building. And at this point, the DaVinci's cooling off, and this usually takes several minutes. Once it's done, the platform will go to the bottom and we'll be able to take the part off and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so now our object is done. You can see it on the print bed here. And what you do at this point is you take this scraping tool that comes with the AiO and you sort of just go at the base of the model. See, it pops off. And now we have this. Alright, so this is the finished piece. Now I have a gimbal and you see it's all one part. I didn't have to put anything together. It all just works on its own. So now we've printed our part, I want to show you a 3D design and print bundle that we have on Studica.com right now for schools. This bundle starts at $29.99 and you'll get 5 XYZ DaVinci Junior 3D printers. That's 5 ready to use out of the box 3D printers. You'll also get 20 PLA filament print cartridges. You get to choose the colors of the different filaments. You also get 50 licenses of PTC Creo, which is a mechanical design software. It's industry standard, it's very powerful, and it can export to STL, so you can design whatever models you want in the software, and you can print it out using the DaVinci Juniors that you get in the package. And along with that, you also get 50 licenses of PTC's cloud-based e-learning platform, so you can get your students and yourself caught up to speed with PTC Creo software, so you get access to tutorials and things such as that for learning. The bundle is really a great deal when you consider that there's a lot of 3D printers out there that cost more than $3,000 by themselves with no extra software and no extra filament or anything like that. So it's really a great price for what you get out of this package. So if you want to check that out, go to www.studica.com, go up to Shop by Brand here at the top, then choose XYZ Printing from the side panel here. And scroll down a little bit and you'll see a section called DaVinci Printer Bundles, and the first one here called 3D Design and Print Bundle. This is what you want, so click Quick View and you'll see information about the package, and if you want more details you can click the See Details button here. It will bring you to a more detailed page. So with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you check out our website, and hope you have a good day and happy printing.